It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, this is the one that y'all have been waiting for, okay? One of my wonderful subscribers recommended that I looked into the Gellen glue gel tip kit, and they sent me the link, and I was like, okay, what is this? And I opened it up and I was like, wow, okay. So they had several kits. I got two of them. I got the square tips and I got the coffin tips. And since we hit 2K, I want to give one of my wonderful subscribers the other kit, okay? So I went ahead and separated the tips. I did that in the haul video so that I can have square and coffin, and so that the recipient can have square and coffin. Now, out of all of these kits that I have seen and that I have shown y'all so far, this kit right here, okay? So it comes with a dehydrator and a primer. That's, something that I haven't seen. And it comes with like glitter and design stuff. It comes with files, buffers, and these tips. Now I love these tips because they are matte on the inside, so you don't have to take your drill and kind of roughen up the inside. They already did that for you. So I was just loving it. And I like how the tips are on this little stick. It's kind of easy to size it up. As you can see, I'm just going down the line and just finding those sizes and popping it off, and on to the next. So on my left hand, I use the coffin shape, and on my right hand, I use the square shape, so that you guys can see both of them in action. And I don't really have a favorite. I like both of them. So I will definitely be doing another set with all coffin and another set with all square. So now I'm just sizing up the tips on my right hand, and it's just so easy. You could just slide, go down. You don't have to like pick the tips up out of a bag or out of a box. This was just so easy. And since I don't file the inside of the tips anyway, just having this kind of extra security with that kind of matte rough surface on the inside, it just really made everything adhere nicely. So now I'm going in with their dehydrator and primer, which is so awesome. Typically I would use my own dehydrator and primer because I don't like to put nails on without that step. So it's awesome that this kit came with that. And after that dehydrator dried, I'm just going to go in with the primer. And the primer, make sure you don't get it on your skin. You want to keep that on the nail. Now with this lamp, y'all, the lamp looks exactly like the Beatles lamp, and I like the Beatles lamp. Someone asked me about the wattage of the Beatles versus the wattage of the Gellen lamp, and I'll have to put that in the description bar because I don't know right off of the top of my head at this moment. But on the Amazon links, it may be on there. So I'm gonna do some searching in the pamphlets and all that, and I have to put it in the description bar. but the cord that came with this kit was really short. That was like the only downside. So I did get the cord from my Beatles lamp so that it could reach down to my plug. So here I am applying that product inside of the tip and putting it on my nail. And at first I was going to put it on my nail and then cure that and then put it in the tip, which is what some of you guys like to do. But for me personally, I just like to put them on like press-ons. With my press-on nails, I put the glue inside of the press-on and then put that on my nail. So that's how I applied these. We also had questions about the Beatles lamp, how long it stays on. So I believe this lamp stays on for 60 seconds, just like the Beatles lamp. If you know otherwise, definitely leave a comment about it. And when I look in the pamphlet, I will put that information in the description bar for sure. So for me to do my own nails, like, this is just so easy. If you take forever to do your nails because you're trying to, hold it this way, hold it that way, and file it this way and do that, doing this method, it was so easy. I do have some other glue gel tip kits to try out, but this one right here, the tips and the dehydrator and primer and all that, this one is kind of at the top of my list. In order to win the giveaway, all you guys have to do is follow my social media platforms, comment on this video, like this video. So I will have all of that information in the description bar. You will definitely need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page, and my TikTok page. I'm on TikTok now, so definitely need you guys to see the crazy stuff I do on TikTok. Not too crazy, but just a little kind of funny type stuff. I'm trying to get into it. So on this hand, I think I did apply a little of that base gel first and then put the tip on. Somebody else asked me a question about how if your nails are kind of flat or curved and they don't really match the shape of the tip, you can add more product so that it can kind of fill up that tip. So when I have that problem, I just add more product. And I like to just kind of flash cure it a little bit and remove anything that spills out. And then I put my hand in the big lamp to make sure that everything is fully cured. So now I'm going to go in with the file that came with the kit and a couple of buffers that I already had. The buffer that came with the kit, that pretty blue one, it was just so nice. I just didn't want to mess it up. So I used some buffers that I had already used just to kind of, buff out the surface of the tip. Now, if you want to see what I did to these nails, okay, you're gonna have to watch my next video because I tried out something that I thought would be a great idea. I wanted to try to use dip on top of these so that if I wanted to change out my dip sets, I could possibly use like peel off base to do some dip and wear that for a little while and then pop it off and try something else. So that's what I did to these nails next. So definitely check that video out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this gelling kit. Thank you so much for the suggestion and good luck for the giveaway. Don't forget to check the description for the information on all of the steps that you need to do so that you can enter. So always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.